ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಇಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಟೆಕ್ ಶೃಂಗಸಭೆ 2020-21 ಅನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ಉಪಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Friends, before I speak, I would like to publicly through this forum convey my condolences. I was shocked and deeply saddened by the untimely and sudden demise of a well-known Kannada actor, upcoming Sri Punit Rajkumar Appu. He was not only a talented superstar, but a great human being who cared for the well-being of the poor and needy. First of all, I would like to thank the Prime Minister of Australia, Prime Minister of Israel, for their willingness to join together, take this journey forward across the globe. And also, I would like to thank the Kendrill Chairman, USA, for his remarks on this occasion. Friends, I do not have much time, so I have to cut short in 5 minutes. I'll just conclude. I basically came here to extend my best wishes to this Bangalore Summit. All important persons working in this field are all meeting here, discussing for the coming 3 days. The best minds joining together, the best experiences being shared will definitely bring the value that is needed. That is my confidence. Bangalore is a happening place. India is a happening place. And here, the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Bhai Modi is focusing his attention on transforming the entire system using technology, IT, BT, with doing their duty. IT, BT, do your duty, you will become mighty. That is the message I want to give on this occasion. And also, I would like to remind the people, not only of our country, across the globe, the basic philosophy of India is share and care. Share and care. So we should really share the knowledge, share the success stories, and share our experiences. Come out with new ideas, new innovations. What for these ideas, what for these innovations? One is to make the progress that is needed, to create wealth, knowledge wealth, economic wealth for the betterment of the society and the globe. And thirdly, knowledge, research, development, technology, IT, BT, everything should be for the happiness of the people. Happiness, ultimately that should be the goal. So you must come out with such ideas which will bring happiness by bringing changes in the lives of the people of all sections. And I would like this summit to focus more on agriculture, which is the basic culture of our country and also across the globe. Many people depend on agriculture, which is having a turbulence, challenges. Keeping, and also with the climate change, lot of changes are happening, lot of new challenges are happening. We have seen also in the recent pandemic how the world is troubled. So we must come out, and we have understood what are the deficiencies, what are the shortcomings that are needed to be strengthened, developed further. Taking lessons from that, we must come out with new ideas and new innovations. I am happy that the participants here, wide-ranging fields, they are all going to join together, the engineers, the scientists, the technocrats, and the people who are working in various fields coming together is a great occasion. No wonder that almost every major tech company in the world has Indian senior leadership. This speaks of the intelligence, knowledge, success, achievement here in this land. And we need to share it with others. And in the coming days, we should encourage more and more on knowledge economy, digitization, to innovation. Our country is going through the Digital India program. We have made remarkable progress in Aadhaar transformation, the direct benefit transfer, and availability of various government services to the people. Policies, programs are decided by Parliament. At the end of the day, delivery, reaching out to the people is very important. In that, we must take advantage of the technological advancement and come out with the new ideas. Infrastructure is being fast developed, and we should accelerate also. The government-led initiatives are crucial. I would urge upon the private sector participation, and I feel it's essential to generate jobs, to create innovative applications, and to bring about a digital technological transformation in the country, to bring the real transformation. Because the Prime Minister's mantra, you all know, reform, perform, and transform. Transformation of the system, transformation of the nation, for the betterment of the people of the nation. That should be our goal. I hope all of you will focus your attention on this the coming 3 days and then come out with wonderful solutions to make people to succeed in their life and in their efforts, and also to achieve something good for the common good of the humanity of the world. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.